Here you go, babe.
Okay, shove it.
There he is. Give him some. Pull the paper off. Show the beer.
There's the man with the light.
How do you guys do that?
They already ran out of ice and coolers, and the beer will be gone soon.
Public service announcement.
The way it works is this: if they got tickets, there's really nothing we can do. So we're gonna let them in and out. If they don't have tickets, we send them to the front. There's not much we can do. We don't got enough manpower. It started happening today. Last night it was pretty controlled. About 3 this morning, people started coming in, and there's really not much you can do. You don't have enough guys. This is a peace, love type of thing. Not gonna crack any heads. There's not enough of us to do it. And I don't see why not. So hey, you know, if they got tickets, they're welcome to come to any hole they want.
This is like getting into a show early. You get the sound check, you get the show. Great experience. Garbage bags. And don't be keeping them for raincoats either. Come on. Put the friggin' garbage in there. Pack it in, baby. Make life better for one another. Get them back. Keep throwing them back. Throw them back. Not sideways, back. There we go. We be like a nation. Clean it up. Be proud. Proud of your new town, your new city. Woodstock Nation. 94.
Thank you.
You got it, baby.